So, good afternoon, participant. I welcome all of you in valued course on holistic personality and life skill development, Module 1, Day 3 on goal setting and coaching. Course is organized by Center of Excellence in Teaching and Learning of AISSMS College of Engineering, which I am coordinating this center. I am Dr. Mrs. Mangal Hemant Dhend. So now earlier in two sessions, we have seen what is the meaning of actually goal setting, and goal setting has to be scientific process. And we have also seen meaning of manifestation, and we have also seen number of skills required for the employment, or according to national education policy, what are the skills which are important. So right now, you have seen personality points, means what are the personal qualities where you are standing. You might have reflected yourself, because I told you the objective of this module is totally for your self development, setting the goals. So if you want to set the goals, you have to consider different areas of the goals, and for particular area, each area you have to set different goals. Then only your goal meaning will be meaningful. Okay, if you will just mix your goals like financial and then career, it is not a proper goal setting. You have to first finalize goal area. You have to give the priority for the goal. And then question comes how to frame the goal statement. So let us see why we need to set the goals. Okay. So I would like to show you this YouTube why we have to set our goals. Okay. Meaningful way. If you know the purpose, if you know the objective, then only we will get the outcome. It is as good as when you set dream, then only you will get that. If you will not set the dream, if you don't have any desire, then how you will get it? And even if you will get it, then actually happiness which you will earn after getting it will be not very high. But when you desire it, when you want it, when you need it, when you set it, and then when you get it, then happiness increases at a higher level. So goals are required to set to find the directions in the life. Because every day I will be waking up, I will go and join my duties. Whatever work will come in front of me, I will be doing that. Is there any direction in my life? Is there any purpose to my life? No. For students also no, and for the employers also no, because just the day is coming and whatever our role we need to perform, we are just performing the role. Where is the direction there? Because if we want to go for the picnic, we set everything: when we'll go, at what time we'll start, where we'll take a break, where we'll have breakfast, whether we'll go from car, by which road we'll go. Then we will see the Google map, we will see the destinations for the halt, everything we set, and therefore picnic becomes the enjoyment. So whatever we do for the picnic, why not to do for the main things in the life? Same details, same road, vehicle, time, what food we will eat, in between all the minor details, like a planning of the picnic, we have to set everything for some purpose in our life. Okay. So goals, if you set the goals, it gives you directions in the life. Then to gain the control over the life, whether I am having control over my life, no, whatever things are happening, suppose I am going in college, and whatever is thing is happening in the college, I am just flowing with that theme, or whatever is happening in the college. Okay, what is happening in the surround, I am flowing, I am just sinking in that. So what is the purpose of my life? I don't have control over my life. I will say, no, college is saying that I am doing that, college is saying that I am coming home, my husband, why, or this my son is saying I'm doing that. So there is no control over my life. When I will set goal, I will say to my family, no, I require this 1 hour for my purpose. I need validated course. Now today I am sitting in the home, still I am taking this. So even if family assignment is there, if we set the goals, we will have control over our life. Okay. So in college also I'll be knowing what are my goals, what I have to do. Let the college do whatever things. I will also do that, but my goals also I will work on that. Okay. I will not get flowed with that flow. So it will have control over life. Then to achieve more, because achievement gives us happiness. Might be achievement for somebody will be money, might be achievement for somebody will be position, designation, might be achievement for somebody will be social work. So everybody's achievement terminology is different, everybody's happiness is different. You have to focus on yourself when you will say that I have achieved more. Okay, and how to see this, that is also number of techniques are there. Because whatever we think right now, suppose I am interested in the finance and I will say I will get salary 2 lakh, then I have achieved in my life. But after 6 months, we come to know, oh, to earn that 2 lakh, so many negative things have come in my life. Okay, so the happiness of that money will disappear after 6 months. So that happiness, that achievements are not everlasting. So here you have to think, you are dying. Imagine you are dying, you are just sleeping on the bed and you are thinking, no, you are just having flashback over your life and just you are recalling your whole life, and where you will feel pity that, okay, not for family, not for relationships, not for family, but for other aspects where you will feel pity. Oh, I could not do this in my life. That will be your achievement. And if you will understand that purpose, then your life will become meaningful. So you have to set goals to achieve more. But for achievement, also proper achievements direction has to be there. You should not achieve which is not giving you long term happiness. So to challenge yourself to grow. If suppose goals are not put up and everything is happening in the life smoothly and happily, you will never grow. See, I have observed in my life when challenge come and when we'll sustain that challenge and when we will just overcome that challenge with positive attitude, positive mind, definite that challenge gives us positive outcome. So, if you need to have growth in your life, you should have challenges. If you don't have challenges, it means your life is standstill. आपण डबकं म्हणतो पाण्याचं, त्याला फ्लो असतो का? नसतो. तो ग्रोच होत नाही, डबक्याचा साईज ग्रोच होत नाही. पण रिव्हर बघा, समुद्र बघा, जिथे फ्लो आहे त्याची साईज सुद्धा खूप व्हास्ट असते, अबंडंट असतं. आणि ज्यांना खूप अबंडंट लेव्हल गाठायची, ज्यांना ट्रिमंडस ग्रोथवर पोचायचे, हाईटवर पोचायचे, त्यांना चॅलेंजेस लाईफमध्ये असावेच लागतात. हे तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या. And whenever some challenge will come in your life, you start thinking positively. Oh, this is my test. Oh, this is my examination. I have to pass it. And this problem has come in my life so that I will get some positive impacts of that. And definitely it will give positive impacts. Suppose now you are going to your job place by bus, suppose, and one day you will miss the bus, so you should not go immediately in the negative. Oh, I'm just miss the bus. Now let mark will be there, and how I will reach to my destination. Oh, what happened? Now I will not get the this lift also. Now what to do in the morning only? Negative still start happening. If your reaction will be like this, then everything will happen negative. Your whole day will be wasted. But if you will think positively, oh, bus has missed, now something good is happening, some change is happening in my life. Now today I will just reach miraculously in my destination and no let mark. You just do this in these 8 days before we finish on next Friday. Just do for simple little things and share me what happens. So if you will face challenges that are for your growth, okay, but you have to understand that and your energy level has to be that, because I have given the keyword. Everything is energy, everything is feeling, and everything is thought levels. See, we are human being. Even if I am telling, I am also thinking negatively, because that is our habit. But we have to overcome the habit. We have to make practice ourselves. But whenever I have seen this positively, I got the positive impact. Whenever I could not control my thought, emotions, I got negative impact. Okay. So that way we have to face challenges with positive mode, and then only growth occurs. So goals we have to set ourselves to put the challenge to our life. Okay. So goal setting process is itself we are creating challenge to our life. Okay, I am suppose now working 4 hours per day for my personal growth apart from my job. Now from tomorrow I will set five. I will spend 5 hours for my other activities. So I have set the goals. I am using now, I am spending 5 hours per day for my other work, social contributions. And really today I just am on leave on that purpose only, because I was not feeling well also, because yesterday I posted video at 12 o'clock, and then I was also feeling some miss headache. Then I said, okay, let us now just take the leave and just the spend some time on planning, because I am taking setting goal setting sessions. Now let my goals raise with that course, and just I jumped into the higher level goals. Now diary is here only, so that purpose, so to put myself at the challenges, so to increase motivation to succeed, because when we set goals, it is not only the challenge but it is for the motivation also. But here I would like to tell you one hint. Even if I am telling you as a challenge, don't think it as a competition, because when you will think at a competition, you are putting some goals to compete somebody, then it will give you frustration, it will bring the stress. So always whenever you set goals, you just set goals for the contribution, and when you will do like this, then your life will become celebration. Okay. You will enjoy the process of goal setting and the manifestation when your objective will be for contribution and not the competition. And then it will increase your motivation. And when you will set goals with contribution, then it will increase your motivation. It will inspire you work more and more. And then we have to see this process. I will tell you how to dig deep, and then how it will help you to motivate yourself. Okay, so that is why you have to learn this process in a scientific way. Now, importance of goal setting, I already told you. If you are going for the holiday, for making trip, we choose our destination, plan everything. It was unfamiliar route, then we just open the Google map, then we plan everything. We will see landmarks, we will see the roads, we will decide everything. So if you want to be happy and fulfilled, may it makes sense to do the same. So, like you decide your journey for the picnic or holiday tour, same way you set goals for your life picnic, for your life tour. Okay, so journey map is a very important tool that I'm going to tell you in the goal setting process. So, your path through life is by accident rather than design.